Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link on Canva. This is super easy, super simple, and it'll only take a few minutes. So, if you've ever wondered how to do this, stay tuned. All right, the first thing you want to do is head over to Canva and open up your project. I'll be using this PDF as an example. Let's scroll through and find the perfect spot to add our clickable link. Now, what I'm going to do here is retype this text to say something like, check out my YouTube channel. After that, I'll highlight the specific part of the text I want to hyperlink. Let's go with YouTube channel. Once the text is highlighted, you'll notice this link icon appear at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Canva will then prompt you to enter a link. I'll open my YouTube channel, copy the link, and paste it right here in Canva. Just right-click, select Paste, and press Enter. And there you have it. Your link is now added. Next, head over to the Share button in the top right corner. From here, choose the Download option. Make sure to download your project as a PDF file, either PDF Standard or PDF Print. I'm going with PDF Standard. Then click Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it up. You'll see it's a normal PDF, but now when you click on the hyperlink, it'll take you directly to my YouTube channel. How cool is that? And that's it. That's how you can easily add a clickable link on Canva. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.